Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from the IB Intelligence Bureau. When you will go to the official website of Ministry of Home Affairs, means mha.gov.in, here you can see in the new online application for the post of ACIO2 technical in IB Intelligence Bureau. Here you can apply online, and in the career section you can download the PDF where I am going to tell you how to apply, what is the requirement. Let's have a discussion. So here we can see, first of all, the Intelligence Bureau IB is going to recruit for the Assistant Central Intelligence Officer grade 2 or technical exam 2023. Okay, let's have a discussion. So here they are going to recruit in the computer science and information technology. Number of vacancies are 79. Electronics and communication, number of vacancies are 147. So overall in these two branches, number of vacancies are 226. Here let's go for the description of post and benefits. So when you will click on this one, here you can see the classification: General Center Service Group C, non-gazetted. Pay scale will be level 7, 44,900 to 1,42,400 in the pay matrix. Plus all these allowances are also available, so you can see the allowances are also mentioned here. Now the number of vacancies which we already discussed, here the category wise division of the number of vacancies mentioned. You can go through this one. Total number of vacancies in the CS and computer science and the IT is 79, and electronics and communication will be 147. Now what is the essential qualification? Let's see, this is very important part. So they are going to recruit on the basis of the GATE score. So look at here, candidate must have achieving qualifying cutoff marks in the GATE 21, 22 or 23. GATE 21 is also valid, 22 is also valid, and 23 is also valid. In electronics and communication, paper code should be EC. Computer science and information technology, paper code should be CS. Okay, now other than this, the candidate can have BE BTech or ME MTech also in the respective branches, which is already mentioned here. Now the age limit will be between 18 to 27 years as on the 12th January 2024. Service liability will be mentioned here. Scheme of examination. So the candidate 10 times the number of vacancies to be shortlisted on the basis of GATE scorecard. Okay, and the second is after that GATE scorecard of 21, 22 or 23, and will be called directly for the interview. So there is no written test, directly on the GATE scorecard you will call for the interview, and marks distribution is also mentioned here. The interviews aim to access the candidate's traits on the two parameters: subject knowledge in the relevant field and the communication skills. So you can see, basis on the GATE scorecard and the interview, the final merit list will be there. Okay, now here after that, what is mentioned, how to apply. You can go through the official website of www.mha.gov.in, and here the submission, the online submission will start from the 23rd December, which is today, and the last date of this one will be 12th January. So from 23rd December to 12th January you can apply online. Okay, now the registration fees, examination fees is mentioned here. So it's having in the two parts: examination fees ₹100 and recruitment processing charges ₹100. So all candidates need to pay recruitment processing charges, and second, male candidates of general, EWS and OBC need to pay the examination fees. Okay, in addition to the recruitment processing charges. If the candidate is SC, ST candidates or female candidates, then they will be exempted from the examination fees, but the recruitment process fees need to pay by all, as it is mentioned. Okay, the application form is integrated. The application form is integrated with the payment gateway. Payment can be made through the debit card also, as it is mentioned. It can be through debit card, credit card, UPI, internet banking, SBI Challan. All the details are mentioned here. Okay, so for more details, as I told you, you can go to the official website, and the closing date will be 12th January 2024. So for the more details, you can just go through the official website and just check the details, check the eligibility criteria, and you can apply. Thank you.